Let's talk about GST. General Service Taxation Scheme is known as Good and Service Tax, is an indirect tax throughout India to replace taxes levied by the central and state government. It is introduced as the Constitution Act 2017 following the passage of Constitution 122 Amendment Bill. The GST is governed by the GST Council and its chairman is Finance Minister of India. Under GST, good and service will be taxed at the following rate: 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. A single GST will replace several existing taxes and levies which include central excise duty, service tax, additional custom duty, surcharge, state level value added tax and octroi. Other levies which are currently applicable on interstate transportation of goods are also likely to be done away with in GST regime. GST impact: what become cheaper and what become costlier. Cheaper: auto, two-wheeler, large cars, white goods and SUV are all expected to become cheaper. Branded good: under GST, branded good will be taxed at 18%. Currently these goods are taxed around 23 to 24%. Hotels: good news for traveler as tax on hotel has been at 18%. Only high-end hotel rupees 5,000 plus tariff will attract 28%. Hotel with tariff below rupees 1,000 are exempted from GST. Currently 22% is levied on hotel. Restaurant too will have 18% tax, a drop from about almost 22%. Entertainment: for most states, movies watching will become cheaper at a uniform 18%. In most states, tax on movies is near 22 to 25%. For states with low tax rate, currently this tax will be higher. Personal care: daily use product like soaps, hair oil and toothpaste is also set to become cheaper at 18% tax. They are currently taxed at 24 to 28%. Air travel: for economy class, airfare are expected to shrink with a tax of 5%. Business class will attract 12% GST. Telecom services and excise is expected to get cheaper. Processed food item: these will attract 5% tax under GST, a fall from the 15% currently. Costlier: auto, small car will become slightly expensive as they now will fall under the 28% tax bracket. Tea, coffee, masala under GST will be taxed at 5%. Currently they are taxed at 3 to 4%. Gambling, casinos: those found of gambling will now have to pay a higher tax of 28%. Home appliance: be prepared to shell out more of air conditioner, televisions and washing machines once GST is implemented. FMCGs: while soaps and toothpaste will be cheaper, other personal care products like shampoos and deodorants will be more expensive post GST. Metal and construction: metal mining and cement will become costlier under the GST. Sin item: aerated drinks, tobacco, luxury goods will all be taxed at 28%. Charges: school fee, courier services, mobile charges, insurance premium, banking charges, Wi-Fi, direct to home service will be get costlier. Air ticket: business class is going to cost more under the GST. Last but not the least, no tax items. Daily items like milk, cereals, meat and curd have been exempted from the GST services. Like religious travel, Hajj Yatra, metro travel, education and healthcare will not be taxed under GST. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and comment for more videos.